Introducing a very simple yet impressive PowerPoint effect that can be used to present PowerPoint presentations that require individual explanations, such as SWOT analysis. The content is clear and looks cool. Let's try it together. Then click the white rounded rectangle first, and then hold down Ctrl and click the letter S. Click Shape Format in the top menu. A font select Subtract in the merge shape. The effects of hollowing out the text will appear. Add the required text. The first page is done. Repeat the same steps to create the second, third, and fourth pages.